In this video, I am going to show you how exactly you can make a delicious, healthy chocolate at home with only 2 ingredients, so stay tuned. Hi, my name is Tajana and I'm a skincare specialist and currently enrolled in a holistic nutritionist program. I treat skincare concerns not only with products but with a holistic approach, balancing your overall well-being. Suppressing the cravings is not going to help you with your desire. When your body is asking for it to eat something, you should eat, but you have a choice. Do you want this or do you want that? This is the chocolate that you buy from the supermarket that does not have any nutritional value and also unknown added ingredients and also lots of sugar. Versus the recipe that I'll be showing you will help you with your sugar cravings and also have a tremendous health benefit. This is an easy recipe to make a dark chocolate at home with only 2 ingredients, and trust me, it is very, very delicious. You have to make it to try it. So let me take you to my kitchen. Let's go. For this easy recipe, things that you will need are a prepping bowl, 1 tablespoon and half teaspoon of measuring device, spatula, silicone-based tray mold. I got these from Amazon and they had different shapes and design and I wanted to use all of them. And the ingredients that you need for these are cacao powder and honey, and that's it. You want to make sure that you are taking a cacao powder than cocoa powder. I will tell you the difference in a bit. And let's mix them all together with the hot water. First is you want to take a bowl and then prep for the cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon makes 2 chocolates on the silicone trays that I was showing you earlier. Since I want to make 6 to 7 chocolates, so I'll be taking 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So depending on how many chocolates you want to make, you can add up or cut down on the cocoa powder. So with my correct math here, I am going to take 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 to 3.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder to make 6 to 7 chocolates. Next you want to take is honey, and honey you can put it as according to your taste. I am taking 3/2 teaspoon of honey and pouring on the mixture right here. And slowly you want to add a hot water on top of the mixture to add all of those together. Give it a good stir and make sure when you are adding the hot water, you are doing it bit by bit, not pouring all the way at first, so that you want to have the chocolatey consistency. After giving a good stir for a minute or so, you see this is what the consistency looks like. It's like melted chocolate, and you can use this chocolate recipe on top of a cupcakes. If you make it at home, it makes it really delicious. And definitely I tried this accidentally at home. Like I was like, I don't know what to do with these and it's excess, and I was okay, let's make a chocolate out of this, and it turned out really well. Since then I have been making chocolate at home. Pretty much your chocolate recipe is ready, and all you need to do is put it on the trays, and I am pouring it right here and put it in the freezer for at least 5 to 6 hours. And ta-da! See, this is what it looks like. And doesn't it look like you bought these from a high-end store that you made it at home with only 2 ingredients from scratch? These are delicious. All right, cheers! Hey, grabbing your attention again. I couldn't end this video without telling you how this chocolate is beneficial to your health, and it's actually a superfood. If you want to know the professional tricks to keep your mind, body, and skin on point, make sure to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your loved ones, because with your sharing, they can live a healthy life as well. When buying chocolate powder, you want to make sure if it's cacao powder or cocoa powder. There is a crucial difference here. Basically, cacao is the raw form of chocolate and cocoa is the heated and more processed form of powder to take away the bitter taste of chocolates. So cacao has more health benefit versus cocoa powder. Cacao is rich in fiber. That means it's going to help you with your digestive system, and it also have a high amount of magnesium on it that is going to help you with your bones, keeping it stronger. It is filled with antioxidants that helps to fight off the free radicals, and you know that you need lots of antioxidants to keep your age a secret. And it's also such a mood booster. Like when you put a piece of chocolate in your mouth and it melts right away, it feels like it's so good. The delicious like chocolate of that richness, it takes away all those attentions of the anxiety and stress away and focus on those like good chocolates. It's so good. Dark chocolate is so good for the blood circulation as well, and an amazing alternatives for the sugar cravings. Who knew all of these secrets of the raw cacao or aka dark chocolates? Comment in the section below, I would love to know. You can do so much more with this cacao powder. You can put it in a smoothie, make a hot chocolate, or my favorite, make a chocolate chia pudding. Saying that, you might be interested to check out my other videos. I will see you in the next video. Until then, do take care of yourself and namaste.